Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to create WhatsApp account. To get started, you need to first of all install and download the WhatsApp application on your device from any Play Store or App Store that is available, and you need to open WhatsApp application. So once you open, you will reach on the welcome screen of WhatsApp. So here is the language setting. You can simply tap on the auto save language here, tap on it, and here you can select the app language. After you have selected, you need to come back to the welcome screen and tap on agree and continue button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Here you need to select your country or region. Tap on the country that is available here and choose the country that you reside on, and you need to enter the phone number here. After you have entered the phone number, tap on next button, which is at the bottom of the screen. So when you enter the same number that you had previously used to create WhatsApp account, then this page will be shown where it is asked to restore the backup. You can tap on restore and restore all the data from the previous WhatsApp account, or else if you don't want to restore your chats or data, then you can tap on skip button. For now, let's tap on restore button. Wait until all the data and chats have been restoring. Once the restoration process has been completed, tap on the next button. You will get access on this profile info page where you can enter your account's name. Once you have entered the name, you can also select the profile picture and change the profile picture from camera, gallery or avatar. Now tap on next button. You can create a passkey for secure, easy login. If you want to create the passkey, tap on create a passkey, or if you don't want, then you can tap on skip button. Let's tap on skip button. So medias have been restoring. So this is how you create your WhatsApp account. I had already created this WhatsApp account with the same number. That's why the medias have been restoring. But if you use different number, then this option won't be shown. Once you have created account on WhatsApp, you can easily use WhatsApp application to chat with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.